Writing style informative. Hey everyone. Today I'm diving deep into a high-stakes political drama unfolding in Zimbabwe. With the general elections just around the corner, everyone is asking the same burning question: can Nelson Chamisa and his party, the MDC alliance, finally overthrow ZANU PF? Let's explore. Zimbabwe is at a critical juncture. The nation's economy is in dire straits, with hyperinflation decimating purchasing power and unemployment forcing many into informal work just to scrape by. Amidst these hardships, the young and charismatic leader Nelson Chamisa has risen as a beacon of hope for many, especially the youth. But here's the catch. Chamisa faces an uphill battle. The ruling party, ZANU PF, led by President Emmerson Mnangagwa, has been in power since the country's independence in 1980. The odds seem stacked, with allegations of election rigging and a history of electoral violence clouding the democratic process. Now, let's talk strategy. Chamisa and his supporters are not just sitting back. At his recent rallies, Chamisa vowed not to let the ruling party steal the election again. His campaign has been vigorous, tapping into the frustration of his largely youthful base over the floundering economy. Social media platforms are abuzz too, with initiatives to incentivize voter registration, particularly targeting the youth. Analysts say this could be pivotal. A high voter turnout is essential for Chamisa, as it could significantly swing the results in his favor. However, there are significant challenges. Resources are thin, and Chamisa's party reportedly lacks the necessary monitors to cover every polling station. This absence could potentially leave room for electoral malpractices. On the flip side, President Mnangagwa has called for a peaceful election. In his final rally speeches, he emphasized non-violence and acceptance, trying to paint a picture of stability and order under his rule. So what does this all mean for Zimbabwe? The upcoming elections are not just about choosing a president, they symbolize a potentially transformative moment for the country. Will the people's desire for change outweigh the entrenched power structures? Or will it be another chapter in the same old story of political maneuvering and missed opportunities? This election could very well be a defining moment in Zimbabwean history. The world is watching, and the hopes of millions rest on the promise of a fair and peaceful electoral process. That's all for today, folks. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. What do you think the outcome will be? Drop your predictions and opinions in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.